I can truly say that Trinity was a transformational experience for me. My name is Isabella Harvey, and I'm from the United States, and I am doing the MSc Marketing program. Right before my last year in my undergrad, I have actually visited Dublin with my family. We visited Trinity just for the Book of Kells experience and just to see the campus. And I ended up learning more about it than I intended to, and I learned what a well-known school it is. And so I started looking into it more seriously, and I just decided that Dublin was the right place just because I feel like you encounter so many different people with different backgrounds and cultures that you wouldn't expect to, and it's just such a unique place that I think you really won't find anywhere else. So when I first started out, I was more interested in fashion maybe and doing like ad campaigns for like a fashion or cosmetics company. But after doing my undergrad and starting my master's, I kind of solidified my decision in maybe doing data analytics. I feel like data can tell a company a lot about their consumer, and it can help drive campaigns that are better suited for them. And then you can also just understand what products to drive out, what drives your customers, and what's going to make them choose your company over your competitor. So some of the courses you might encounter in the MSc Marketing course are data analytics, of course. We have done marketing management. We are now doing digital and innovative technology. We have also done sales management, which is also interesting because sales and marketing tie in so closely together. I would say the way that you learn in a master's marketing program is very much hands-on. You're creating presentations, you're creating business plans. Research proposal is a big part of it because we do have to do either a company project or a dissertation at the end. A lot of our final projects comes in the forms of either a group presentation or something of that nature. I would say that I have changed because of the Trinity experience in a number of ways. I have become much more outgoing. I learned how to work in teams more efficiently, which is something that I struggled with before. I would also say that I've become much more patient and willing to work with others, and it's just changed me completely for the better.